Hi everyone, this is your Maestra Judy. Welcome to my channel. I'm gonna teach you how to say never mind in Bisaya. Never mind, okay? It's like don't bother, never mind. So, never mind in Bisaya, we say ayaw na lang. Never means ayaw or dili. Ayaw or dili. Mind it means here huna hunaa, okay, huna hunaa. But what we usually apply in the real world, we just say ayaw na lang, okay. Lang here is just. The na here is sort of like an emphasis that you should stop bothering, okay, like ayaw na, like you have to stop, and then lang is just. But you don't really translate it to exactly in English terms. So basically in Bisaya, we just say ayaw na lang for never mind. Okay. If you want the longer version, ayaw na lang huna hunaa. Ayaw na lang huna hunaa. Okay. Just don't mind it. Okay. Don't mind it or never mind. Okay. Ayaw na lang huna hunaa, or you can just say ayaw na lang. Ayaw na lang. Never mind. Okay? There you have it, guys. Another short phrase for you for today. Okay, guys, I want to thank you for the time that you spend on me by watching my videos. Do visit me at my site. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you're very new. I'll see you again next week. Bye.